Let's dive in CSS Grid layout terminology for better understanding of CSS Grid layout. As you can see on your screen, this whole box which contains small boxes is called grid container, just like we have flex container in flexbox. To use this container as a grid container, we need to set display property to grid. After that, these small boxes inside grid container is called grid items. Just like we have axes in flexbox, we also have row axes and column axes in grid container. These newly created line which divide grid and separate the rows and columns are called grid line, and these grid lines are numbered as like this, starting from 1, 2, 3, 4, and again for the row 1, 2 and 3. These spaces between rows and columns are called as gutter. The row gutter and column gutter may not be equal. In this grid container, this is called as grid rows and this is called as grid columns. These small boxes which is grid item is also called as grid cells. So now we can start working on grid. See you in the next.